We are at Epic Systems, the Class Action and Claims Solutions divisions based in Portland, Oregon. We're kind of behind the scenes. We typically provide support for legal counsel, whether it be defense counsel, plaintiff counsel, or sometimes both, or we're providing support for a corporation that's actually going through some form of litigation. We'll typically handle 30 to 40,000 calls on average per month. We'll do more than 10 times that in terms of documents that we process on a monthly basis.
My name is Charlie Vargos. I manage our document control and records group here. We live and breathe our processes every single day. It's always been a very manual process. It's handling the raw mail as it comes in the door.
Department managers are responsible for designing standard operating procedures, so part of that includes for operations document intake, where we receive the documents, they go through the sorter, they get opened, prep for scanning. Once we've captured the data, it gets entered into a proprietary software where we have a claims operations department reviewing those documents and comparing document statuses, their images, and the data that's been captured.
We found that we really needed a process automation tool to better track overall performance and be able to have an audit trail of who has the document, where is it at in the process, how long does it stay in there, and then be able to tie that back to individual performance. When I first heard about it, I thought it was an intriguing concept to take the level of granularity and visibility that you have in the call center and apply it to other processes throughout the business.
The benefits that I see with IPA are going to be the real-time monitoring and reporting. Right now, everything's done on averages and estimations, and this way we can have real hard numbers to compare and say this is working and this is not. This product will allow us to go through and see who's working, what they're working on, how much time they're taking, and ensuring that everybody has the same amount of workload and activities going through their system. If we can incorporate IPA and have an electronic way to monitor the entire process from beginning to end, that's, I think, ultimately our goal with this product.
One of the key benefits that we saw with IPA was the fact that it being a fully integrated solution with the CIC product, which was one of the reasons we really liked the CIC product, was because it was built from the ground up to fully integrate all across all of these platforms. We thought a natural extension to use the same client, the same tool set that we use in the call center for our other business processes. To be able to integrate the platform without having to worry about data issues, system issues, integration components, those types of things. It was a natural fit with what we already had in place. In fact, it's even going to run on the same set of servers, so we don't have a large investment.
Efficiencies and streamlining the processes are very important. With IPA, we get the ability to monitor and really bring to light the areas of inefficiency so we can address them.
The more efficient that we can become, we can really do the proverbial more with less. So we can actually bring more business in to Epic without having to scale the business as we would have before, which was typically to add more bodies to the solution. We don't necessarily have to do that anymore, so it really gives us a much better economies of scale.
In 3 months, I expect that we're going to see a difference in how we manage our staff, how we manage the workflow.